Welcome to the lecture 3. This is Siddharthan, an assistant professor. This is the continuation of IoT Power Pack series. In lecture 2, we have seen the steps to be done in Blink mobile app for monitoring the sensor values. Here we are going to see the steps to be done in Node MCU board. First, connect any analog sensor to Node MCU. In my example, I have connected LM35 temperature sensor. Most of the analog sensor will have 3 pins, namely plus VCC, output and ground. In LM35 temperature sensor, if you are seeing the flat portion, then from the left hand side, the first pin is plus VCC, which should be connected to 3.3 volt pin in Node MCU. It will be denoted as 3V3. You can connect it through breadboard or female to female pin wire. Next to it, it is output pin, which should be connected to capital A0 pin in the Node MCU. Finally, it is ground pin, which should be connected to GND pin. Please connect it properly as shown here. Once connected everything, connect the Node MCU to your computer or laptop using USB cable, by which it will get the power. Once done, congratulations! You have done the steps to be done in Node MCU board. In the next lecture, we will see the steps to be done in Arduino IDE, and also we are going to monitor this LM35 temperature sensor value in the Blink app using Wi-Fi connection. So please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.